是为富有历史意义的大型书，非国政府和战舰命。
Chiang Kai-shek died in 1975, a year before Mao. He might not have won back Beijing, but in economic terms, Taiwan was the winner. Wealth per capita was 5 times higher than in mainland China, a gap that increased in ensuing years under the leadership of the dictator's son, Chiang Ching-kuo. His massive infrastructure investment programs brought Western business to the country. It was the beginning of the iconic Made in Taiwan label.
Hours do people here work a day?
Usually 10 to 12 hours a day, 7 days a week.
They don't get any days off.
They get 3 days off a month.
When there's too much work.
Working.
Opposition was banned, and the prisons were full, as a Swiss TV report filmed in 1967 shows. Martial law was enforced from 1949 to 1987. The regime locked up almost 140,000 political prisoners and sentenced between 3,000 and 4,000 to death. Their names are recorded at the entrance of this prison-turned-museum. It's a memorial to the White Terror, the name chosen to describe this period of history that long remained taboo. Taiwanese cinema has grappled with this history since the late 1980s, but only recently has it dealt with the stories of the countless women incarcerated by the regime. They loved to read. They had great ideals. They just didn't know that these ideals would get them arrested and deported. If they hadn't been arrested, they could have fallen in love. They could have... The film tells the story of 3 women in prison Pacific. The characters are based on 3 real women and their fates. Before I made Untold Her Story, I did a lot of historical research and read many books. And of course, I looked at a They were all in different prisons, but without talking to each other, they all did the same thing. They could have had boyfriends, continued their studies. They would have had a bright